Hello, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another episode of Jamaica Politics Uncovered. New subscribers, welcome. Returning subscribers, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, please hit the subscribe button. So, guys, in this video, there is something important that we need to look out for on Friday morning, which is going to be April 18, 2024. The Supreme Court is set to deliver its judgment on whether the move by the government to amend the Constitution to extend the tenures of Director of Public Prosecution Paula Llewelyn and Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis is constitutional. The judgment is expected to be handed down at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Lawyers representing the PNP filed a lawsuit in the Civil Division of the Supreme Court in August last year challenging the move by the government to use its majority in Parliament to pass a bill on July 25th, 2023 to extend the retirement ages of the Auditor General and the DPP from age 60 to 65 with a possible extension to 70. The PNP said its members were unaware of the bill's contents before the sitting of Parliament and were only made aware when it was tabled. It further argued that despite its objection, the government debated and passed the bill on the same day it was tabled. The claimants of the lawsuit, Member of Parliament for East Kingston and Port Royal, Philip Paulwell, and the man who lost his seat in the 2020 general election but was placed in the Senate by Mark Golding, Peter Bunting, contended that the recent extension was enacted for an improper purpose and is therefore inconsistent with the Constitution, null and void. This is the second extension for the country's top prosecutor, Paula Llewelyn. The extension is for 2 years and Paula is 63 years old. The PNP further argued that the amendments were done in breach of the separation of powers principle. The PNP also argued that the amendment violated the spirit of the Jamaican Constitution. Lawyers representing the government argued that the Constitutional Court should reject what they say is a radical argument being advanced by the opposition. King's Counsel Alan Wood told the judges the government was on sound legal footing. During oral arguments, he noted the amendment was in keeping with the official government policy of increasing the age of public officials to 65. According to Wood, the extension of the DPP's tenure was not in conflict with any expressed provision of the Constitution, nor did it in any way weaken the office. He rejected the argument that the extension violated the separation of powers. He submitted to the court that there was no interference with the powers of the DPP, nor was there any attempt to subject the office to political control or interference. Mr. Wood told the court that judges should restrain themselves from inquiring into the motives of the government once the amendment has been shown to follow the proper constitutional procedure. The ruling will be handed down by Justice Sonia Wint Blair, Simone Wolfe Rees, and Tricia Hutchinson Shelley. The PNP is being represented by King's Counsel Michael Hilton and attorneys Kevin Powell, Dwayne Allen, and Tamara Mason. Representing the Homeless Administration and the Attorney General are King's Counsel Alan Wood and Ransford Braham, along with attorneys Nico Pagan and Catherine Williams. So you may be wondering, what happens if tomorrow the Supreme Court rules against the extension? Well, Paula Llewelyn will be required to demit office and proceed on retirement. We here at Jamaica Politics Uncovered just hope that whichever way it goes, Jamaica will continue to strengthen its prosecutorial body in the country, and so that the office can be the vanguard of justice for all Jamaican citizens, and that everyone remains equal under the law. Guys, make sure you're keeping it locked here to Jamaica Politics Uncovered for your latest political news, reviews, and updates. Make sure you are subscribed, you have your notification on, and you are inviting your friends to come over Yasso and come hang out with us. Guys, make sure you're also tuning into our nightly broadcast, Monday through Fridays, live here from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Jamaica time. Take care. Until next time.